How's it going, guys? Mark here from Fabspeed Motorsport. Today, we're going to be checking out the oil coolers for the 993 and 964 from our partners over at CSF Intercoolers.
And today we're going to go over a step-by-step guide.
So nice protective packaging here. As mentioned before, this unit is going to fit all 89 through 94 Porsche 964s and 95 through 98 993 Carreras. This unit is going to feature CSF's industry-exclusive wide mouth fitting design that's going to be finished in stainless steel with a copper crush washer. This is going to be a 100% all aluminum TIG-welded construction and finished in a satin black. This is also meant to be a drop-in fit, allowing for plug-and-play installation requiring absolutely no modification. You can be assured that this unit is going to stand the test of time because it's individually leak and pressure tested at 8 bar or 116 PSI. As mentioned, everything CSF produces is thoroughly tested, but if you do run into any issues along the way, you can be assured that they'll have your back because they offer a 10-year warranty with all their products that they manufacture. Next, checking out the oil cooler with me. It's another great product from our partners over at CSF, one of our trusted partners here at Fabspeed. For all your other needs, whether it's CSF or exhaust, head over to fabspeed.com and we'll get the right option for you. See you next time. This unit here is construction. That's what I was looking for, construction. You already know he went there and mocked me too. He's like, oh my God, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're back here at Fabspeed with another banger. On today's recap, we're also going to go over why having 2 flannels and 1 pair of jeans is not considered a wardrobe.